Hi guys, my name is simontwu. I'm an award-winning international singer-songwriter, and I teach in Beijing, I teach in Taiwan, I teach in LA, US. And today I want to share with you guys how to expand your vocal range in 5 minutes. But before doing so, there's a lot of questions that I keep getting asked, and I want to share with you about that. So are singing classes worth it? Absolutely. If you can find a good teacher with a good technique, one that matches your lifestyle. For example, some teachers might be good, but it's not the best fit, right? So you have to find your right vocal coach. What type of singer am I? So that is a good question. That you really have to find your true voice first. You have to understand if you're SATB, right? Soprano, alto, tenor, or bass. And then you have to understand if your true voice is raspy, or is it very bright, or is it very round? You know, so you have to understand your true voice. Find that first before you decide which route to go and what type of style of music is better for you. Can singing be learned? Absolutely. Absolutely. I've had so many students that they couldn't sing to save their lives, okay? I mean it. They can't get the pitch. They couldn't, they don't have a musicality. But you know what? As long as you're passionate about something, you can learn it. And with the right technique, right technique is very, very important. You can actually find your voice, expand the range, and make it beautiful by finding your own tone. That's what we're here for. Today, I want to share with you 5 minutes. How do you expand your range, right? Some people only came and sing Happy Birthday song, which is like an octave, 8 notes. But no, you have to, be able to do better than that. So today I'm going to teach you an exercise called. So that may sound tedious, or what is he doing with his lips? Is he Italian, the tongue, or the lips? No, but this is going to help you with two things. One is it helps you with breathing exercise, right? So you can hold it longer and longer every day. For example, today you can do that's it. But tomorrow you can do that's longer. And the next day you can do it keeps, you can keep going, right? I can go that forever. Sorry, that was a little too long for a video like that. So that's a really good exercise. Practice your breath control every single day, just 5 minutes. That's it. When you're driving, when you're taking a shower, between work, between meetings, definitely before you sing. So you're gonna warm up your lung capacity, your breathing, and getting a bigger breath. The second thing about that, we can add a little bit of music to it, or notes. So we can go. And then keep going. The higher you can go with the higher you will be able to sing. And the lower you can go, the lower you can sing. Same thing. It helps you find a placement, and we'll get to that later on. But anyway, I just want to share with you within 5 minutes how to get better. So practice this week, and hopefully it helps. Let me know in the comments, subscribe, and just ask questions. And I would love to know if this worked for you and what other questions you have. And stay tuned, subscribe, so you'll know what other techniques I will be sharing next week. All right, well, thank you for your time, and hopefully that worked. See you next time. Ciao.
This for the people, fellow heroes.